Installing cabinets perfectly can be tough, especially the upper ones. But cabinet jacks can make it much easier. They act like an extra hand, making the job smoother. There are many products available to choose cabinet jacks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cabinet jacks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Arm Tool Lift 2 PCS. The Xglyphs Arm Tool Lift is a tool for any home improvement project, used for installing tiles, doors, windows, cabinets, floors, porches, decks, and frames super easy. It is easy to use with a simple press, can easily raise and lower the tool lift all by myself. No more struggling or needing extra hands. It is portable, easy to carry around and store it. It is compact, lightweight, and is sturdy enough to handle up to 200 pounds. The durability is impressive too. Made of high-quality steel, it will last a long time without breaking or wearing out. The versatility of this tool lift is outstanding. It is easy to carry for various tasks around the house. If you want to make your home projects easier and save time and effort, you need the Xglyphs Arm Tool Lift. It's a must-have tool. It's made my life so much easier during installations. Makes home improvement tasks easier. Can be used by one person, light and easy to carry. Number 2. Zinkiao Third Hand Tool. The Zinkiao Third Hand Tool Third Hand Support System is a premium quality third hand support system that one can use for multiple purposes. It is handy and perfectly constructed to take different types of projects like drywall jack, cabinet jack, arrange food, crown molding, and a lot more. It is an excellent choice if you require one proper jack for your woodworking project. It has the GS certification that provides you with the assurance you need. The jack has a weight capacity of 70 kgs or 154 pounds, which makes it a heavy-duty tool. Being constructed with high-density metal along with a premium aluminum handle, it becomes a good choice for your woodworking project. To make sure that it does not slip around, it has the TPR pads included in it. The tool ensures no scratches and can be the best choice for different working conditions. The adjustable labor-saving arm can hold it tight in different positions. It is also the reason why it can be used for several purposes. The long rod can expand from 4 to 9.5 feet, the short rod can expand from 1.5 to 2.5 feet, and the medium rod can expand from 2 to 3.8 feet. The availability of handles ensures minute adjustment. Number 3. Viking Arm Hand Lifting Tool Jack. The Maska Viking Arm Hand Lifting Tool Jack is a great multipurpose hand jack that can be an excellent lift tool. It can provide support and help you in a variety of frameworks, including drywall, decking, doors, cabinets, windows, flooring, and a lot more. Keeping in mind about the need for heavy-duty use, this fantastic hand-lifting tool has the capability of lifting up to 330 pounds of weight. It is not only a lifting tool, but this versatile lift arm can maintain precise leveling during installation. Thankfully, the simple lock and release mechanism included in it provides controlled and smooth lowering. It has a unique claw mechanism that can provide additional security. This amazing tool has been designed with heavy-duty material that provides its ultimate safety and strength. It has been tested by Fimtech to ensure its reliability and effectiveness. You can use this handheld for a wide range of purposes. It has an operational range of 6 to 215 mm that supports precise exterior and interior installation. Number 4. Cabinet Jacks for installing cabinets. The Automate support pole has completely transformed my projects for the better. It is like having an extra pair of hands, freeing me up to focus on the task. Because it is strong and easy to use has made my work much easier and faster. One of the best things about this support pole is its versatility. Whether I'm working on walls, fancy trim, storage cabinets, or securing items in my car, it gives me the support. I don't need to struggle to hold things in place. Using the support pole is easy, to adjust the height and lock it with the locking mechanism. The easy-to-use quick-release levers make taking it apart super easy. You can store it away when you're done using it. I've impressed with the durability of this support pole. It is built to withstand heavy loads, giving me peace of mind during my projects. Plus, the adjustable size range is perfect for different tasks and spaces. In summary, the Automate support pole has made my projects much easier and more fun to do. It is a must-have tool for anyone looking to have an extra hand and get the job done with ease. Number 5. Labor-Saving Arm Jack 2-Pack. Enrico, known for its innovative and robust tools, presents the Labor-Saving Arm Jack 2-Pack, a multifunctional furniture lifter and height adjuster. Constructed from 45 solid steel, this durable tool is designed to effortlessly lift and hold heavy objects, with a maximum capacity of 400 pounds when used in pairs. The height adjuster feature allows smooth and easy lifting and lowering, facilitating efficient work without excessive effort. Ergonomically designed with a comfortable handle and a high-strength stainless steel spring, the jack is both lightweight and capable of bearing substantial weight. It's versatile too, functioning as a woodworking clamp, beam clamp, and dilator for unstable objects. Ideal for a variety of tasks such as door and window installation, furniture lifting, and wall tile adjusting, this tool comes with non-slip rubber mats to protect surfaces from scratches. The Enrico Labor-Saving Arm Jack is a valuable addition to any toolbox, making labor-intensive tasks simpler and safer. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.